How you guys doing? I'm Emmett Combs, broker here at Combs Permit Realty Group, and we are kicking off our second rent-to-own home buyer workshop right here, man. Listen, it's an explosive program that you do not want to miss. Make sure you stick around to listen for all the recaps. We talking about rent-to-own, we talking about control versus ownership, and we talking about options for today's market, not yesterday's, but today's market, and it's up from there. Let's go.
Hey, this is Sushant here. Just want to say thank you for hosting this workshop. I learned a lot coming in today. I'm already a homeowner, but this really opened the doors to different investment opportunities that you can take advantage of even if you already do own a home or looking to buy your first home. So definitely look into the rent to own process. It's truly going to be mind-blowing and going to help you get into that next property.
Hey, my name is Will Singleton. I drove all the way down here from Jacksonville, Florida to see Emmett Combs and Tamara Combs at their rent to own program. Man, it was worth the drive. I really enjoyed the home buyer seminar. I mean, it opened up my eyes to a lot of things. I'm telling y'all, this is the way to go. Going forth, rent to own, 3 years, same rent, equity, everything. I'm telling you, it's gonna blow your mind. Make sure you make the next home buying seminar with Premier Combs. Peace.